Hurricanes are called that because, according to Mayan legend, a god called Hurricane spread his breath through the water creating in the earth. But that is a legend. Hurricanes are actually subtropical storms that form to the southern Atlantic Ocean, in the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico. Depending on where they form, they are also called cyclones or typhoons. For example, hurricanes that form in the Pacific Ocean are called typhoons, and those that for the Indian Ocean are called cyclones. Hurricanes form from an eye of center made up of calm air that is surrounded by clouds, strong winds, and water-filled storms. Hurricanes form when a series of thunderstorms come together and move over warm ocean waters. The warm air from the storm causes surface waters to evaporate and begin to rise, generating low pressure on the ocean surface. Winds blowing in opposite direction cause the storms to begin to spin. As the storms moves across the ocean, the wind speed increases and gains enormous and incredible strength until an hurricane forms. When it makes landfall, the impact to hurricane usually causes a lot of damage, although it depends in the category of hurricanes, since they classify on five. Category 1. Hurricanes are the weakest and have a speed between 190 and 153 kilometers per hour. Category 5 ones go more than 250 kilometers per hour and are super destructive. The truth is that hurricanes are very dangerous, and there are populations that have been destroyed by them. Currently, scientists don't know whether global warming causes more hurricanes or not, but they are clear that the intensity and destructive power increases considerably.